So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I've achieved this tan. It's just going to be showing you my whole tanning routine, starting from how I scrub it off, like how I get my old tan off, how I apply it, what I use to apply it, and then the aftercare. So I'm going to be showing you all of that in today's video, so carry on watching it and I hope you do enjoy. It's a very affordable tanning routine and all the products I use in this video are very affordable. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. It will take 2 seconds. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video. So I will normally do this step maybe the night before I'm actually doing my tan. So I'll get a bath or a shower and use this Skinny Tan Exfoliating Mitt. It has two sides. One side is less rough than the other. And then I will also just shave my whole body, so my legs, everywhere that needs to be shaved, so that my skin is all prepped, exfoliated, old tan is all removed. Don't worry, I will be linking everything down below. As you would have seen in the last clip, I've just got out of the bath. I've prepped my skin, exfoliated and got all my old tan off. I literally look so pale, it's actually making me feel sick, and that's why I'm doing my tan. But I'm just going to show you what I use to do my tan and what tan I do and how I apply it. So I use this tanning mitt. This is from Primark, and I like this tanning mitt just because it has a thumb and then just like this, because I feel like it's easy to control rather than just like a mitt that just looks like that. It reminds me of the Filter by Molly May tanning mitt. However, this has been around for so much longer. It's from Primark and I think it's about £3, something like that. And yeah, you can stick it in like the wash machine and stuff. So yeah, this is what I use. And then I use this, which is the St. Moritz Tan in shade dark. This is the XL packet. I used to use the extra, is it the ultra dark? The darker than dark it is. The darker than dark tan, and I liked the way the colour of when you first put it on, but then when you wash it off it just seems to completely all come off, even though I literally leave it on like all night. However, I tried this I'd say about 5 months ago, and I literally loved it. Like, it doesn't wash off and it stays such a nice colour. And this, for this big bottle, I'm pretty sure it's £4. So already here, it's under a tenner, and that's for the bottle of tan, and this is a big, oh. Yeah, it's under a tenner already. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how I do apply this. Obviously I'm just going to show you maybe an arm and a leg, and then I'm going to show you my face and then my chest, just because I feel like maybe like your face and your chest is just a bit different, and the way I do it anyway. So I'm just gonna shake the bottle up and then pump some tan into my mitt, just like this, and then just like apply it to my arm. I like kind of just do like dots down my arm and around the back, just so it's like evenly spread. And then I just circular motion. I normally do apply my tan say around like 6 PM, just because I sleep in it overnight, and I just like for me, like the longer it stays on the better. I just feel like the only reason for that is just because I feel like the longer my tan stays on and like the longer I can go without washing it off, I just feel like it transfers less. I don't know if anybody else has found that, but I found that like sometimes, the only reason I've found that out is because like sometimes I've been out on a night out and left my tan on like overnight and then not washed it off before I went out. And then like, you know, like if it's a last minute thing and then it just looks good the day after, and like when you get in the shower like hardly anything comes off, so it's just like to its fullest. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Okay, so I'm literally just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my tan and then come back and show you. Okay, so I'm back and I've tanned all of my body. So I'm back. I'm just gonna do my face and my chest. So to do my chest, I use a brush, just a makeup brush, and you literally just put the tan like on it and then I'm just looking down here. This is so hard to like show this without, you know. And then you literally just blend it out, and this I find helps to keep the tan on your neck, because if you're a girl and you have this struggle of tanning your chest and then in the morning when you wash it off it just all comes off. But yeah, you literally just use the brush and then just keep adding however much you need to make it even. And then to do my face, sometimes I do use the brush as well, but I do just use the mitt. I use the brush especially when I have lashes on, so then I can kind of get around my lashes without scrubbing them. But when I don't, I do just tend to just use the mitt and then go over it with the brush, just because I find it easier and quicker. So I literally just put it on and blend it out like that so you can't see it, so scrunch it, because this is like a foam. And I really don't think I'd use anything different to a foam. And then I literally just circular motions and just cover my face in the tan evenly. Some people just don't tan the face because, you know, it is probably bad for your skin, but I normally, like, I'm wearing tan now just so I don't have to wear makeup tomorrow and stuff, like. And obviously if I'm going on, I still do it if I'm going on a night out though, like I will tan my face, just because I really like having a tan face. Yeah, what I will add as well is when you're doing your face, like, don't forget your ears. Like, just make sure they're evenly tanned, and all of your neck and the back of your neck as well. And then I literally sometimes just buffer over with the brush just to make it evenly spread out. The light of my ring light is making it look, so this is without like much lighting. I'm gonna, like with this tan as well, you don't have to worry about it being applied like patchy, like if it looks a bit patchy, it doesn't at all. Like, it literally looks so even, like it goes on so evenly with that mitt as well. It looks so much darker in person, but it literally is such a nice colour, especially when you wash it off as well. Jesus, that makes me look so white. Okay, so I'm literally just gonna go to sleep now, and then whatever time it is when I come back, I'm just gonna have a I'll show you as soon as I wake up what it looks like after it's developed, and then I'll show you after I've had a shower and rinsed the top layer off, obviously. But yeah, literally such a good tan routine. I just normally just let it dry before I get into bed, but it doesn't really feel too sticky. With this tan though, I will say, it does say to allow 4 to 6 hours before showering. We find applying tan before bed, then showering the next morning. Oh yeah, so it says the tan, for best results, allow 4 to 6 hours before showering. We find applying tan before bed, then showering the next morning works best. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing now. So yeah, it's like the longer you leave it on, the better it's going to look. So normally I would do it at 6, like I say, but I've done it at 10 tonight because I've had work. So we'll just see how it looks in the morning. I probably will leave it on for like the maximum time. Like, I'll probably go as long as I can without having a shower before I need to get ready and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna feel so much better in the morning. So yeah, I'll be back when it's developed in the morning. Okay, so this is my tan now. I've woke up, well, I woke up like 4 hours ago, but I've tried to, like I said, I've tried to leave it as long as I could. This is how it looks. This is like in natural lighting. Just mind my hair, by the way, it's like really curly because I did the heatless curls. I'll link the video somewhere if you want to see how I've done them. So yeah, I'm just going to literally jump in the shower, not wash my hair. I'm just going to jump in the shower, wash this top layer of tan off. But I just think it looks so nice, so even, and like such a nice colour. So yeah, I'm just going to wash it off and I'll show you what it looks like after that and what I do once I've washed it off. Okay, so this is me straight out of the shower, wash the top layer off, and it's literally like so even and such a nice colour. I'm going to get ready and come back to end the video and show you, and I'm just going to show you a clip now of like my legs and stuff, just to show you what it looks like. But I'm just going to show you what I do, obviously, because I don't want to, I literally look so crazy with my hair right now, but just ignore that. But yeah, I'm just going to show you what I do after, like for the aftercare of your tan to make it last longer. And I just do this anyway. I apply this is just a self tan lotion, like a moisturizer with self tanning, so like a gradual tanner. I use this one when I have tan on. It is the Dove Nourishing Body Care Visible Glow, and I use the shade medium to dark skin. So it's just this one, and I literally just, I won't apply it straight after the shower. So I apply this like every night. So I'll apply this like every night for like say the next few days, and then it'll just make your tan look more natural and last longer as well. So I use this every night, so say for the next 3 to 4 days, and then I'll scrub it off and reapply my tan, if you get me. So yeah, I always apply this to make it last longer. And this is so cheap as well. It's about, I think this is about £3 to £4 as well, so you can't really go wrong. And it's such, this is so nice even on its own. Like if you want to apply this on its own, I normally do that quite a lot. It makes your tan look natural. Like every time I've applied this, say for a few days, I've been asked like if I've been on the sunbed or something, it looks like such a natural colour and a natural tan. So yeah, would recommend this. This is my favourite. So yeah, I'm just going to get rid of it and then I'll come back and show you when I don't look so crazy. And yeah, okay, so this is how my tan is looking at the minute. Obviously it's a really nice colour. So yeah, all my products that I use are so cheap and affordable, so, and it's such a nice tan, and this normally lasts a few days, especially when I'm using, maybe about a week, especially when I'm using this gradual tanner every night. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video, find it really useful, and I hope you do try out the tan, because I literally swear by that. I used to use Bondi Sands Ultra Dark. I still love that tan, but however it's so pricey. It's like £20 when you can buy that for £4, and all the other pieces as well for around the same price. So it's literally amazing. So hope you did enjoy this video, and don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't. Thanks for watching. Bye.